Greetings in the name of Yahuwah and His Son Yahushua HaMashiach. My name is Malak Shalomo. Today is the 30th of October 2023. The time is 2:30 p.m. I'm going to do a trade recap. I started a trade from around, let's see here. I think it was, gotta move this. All right, so the trade started at 157 and ended at 1408, which is 208 Eastern Time. So let me just break down this trade real quick. And just to mention that I got funded on this trade, so I didn't stay in this trade long. See, that's 159 and 100. So it starts at 150. The account is 150K on Apex, and I just got funded on that right there. Right, so the cash value is 159,181, and after commissions it's 159,100. Right, so that's above the target of 9,000 from 150 to 159. So just got funded on that one right there, and they have a sale, so I added a couple other accounts as well. All right, so let's see here. Right, so let's see, let's go over to the bookmap screen. So this is one thing I was looking at here. Just make this a little bigger. Right, I was looking at this stop run right here at approximately 130 or 129. So you see we had a stop run here. That's buy stops coming out. We had 2,514 buy stops and 2,700 passive sellers, right? So it's looking like to me that there probably is short covering that's causing the buying. It's not real buying, right? So looking for further evidence of that, we pushed up here to value area high, and we started to get some stops coming out as well, but no follow through, right? So we had the big stops coming out, and then we have these passive sell orders, 906.81. We have some sell icebergs executing here as well, 4 of them, 3 of them here, and 90.61. So it's looking like selling coming in here, right? Passive sell orders. So it's looking like they're absorbing all the buying that's taking place. So I'm looking at that happening at a key area, value area high at 41.85. So at what was it? 157. So I'm looking at it. Let's see, let me make sure I have the time correct. So yeah, at 157 is when I started to short, right? So I'm looking here, I'm looking at the price action. We're moving sideways. We created basically like it's a automatic reaction to the top here. Then we created the secondary stop here at VWAP. So I'm looking at it as a Wyckoff supply and demand phase A. So we're going into phase B from this level right here. Let's see, after we bounce off of VWAP, we're heading into phase B. So I'm looking for some volatility here up again at value area high. We're moving sideways, and then I started to short at around this level right here. I was looking for a continuation. It pulled back and it stopped me out, right? So I got stopped out here, and then let's see, I went short again at 41.8675, right? So 41.8675. This is after the right here, 41.8675. Where is it? Right, so somewhere around here, losing on this double top right here. No, I entered short 157. Try and find it, right? So it was this double bottom here, and I entered here at 157 at let's see, price 141.8675. Let me make sure I have the right time. 13:59. Okay. $41.86 right here. All right.
Stop
So at the
run
breakdown of this structure, the double top right here, this is where I entered my position short. It moved around a little bit. I kept adding that. When we came back to the bottom of this little range here, we had another pushback up to 41.8750, and then we started to break down. So I took my profit here pretty quickly at 41.84. Right, so stopped out here at 41.84.
Stops run
right here. Right, so when we started to pull back a little bit, I just stopped out. So I was gonna get funded anyway, so I didn't want to risk it coming back in and stopping me out anyway, so without a profit. So might as well just get funded and move on with the trade. Eventually it broke down nicely, but then it found a bottom here at VWAP again around 41.80, and now we're pushing back up again. So we broke above value area high, and let's see if it's real buyers coming in now or if it's just gonna be kind of like a forced breakout. Right, so the top of the range here is 41, roughly 41.8750, 41.88, and now we're breaking back into the range. So it could be a false breakout, but let's see. Yeah, so that's my trade funded, and nice quick scalp, nothing too crazy. I'm gonna start some other evaluation accounts. I have one started here, made 60 on that today, but didn't really focus on that. Just wanted to get funded on this account here. Let me just point that out. Right, boom. All right, so we live probably by tomorrow. All right, y'all. It's Malak Chalomo, and y'all trade safe and stay blessed.